Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to make a basil infused oil for the brownie making, the cake making. So all you need are just three things: the basil, the dry basil. When you make an infused oil, you want to choose the dry one rather than fresh, because the water in the fresh can ruin the oil. And the second is the oil. So I'm using canola oil, the vegetable oil. You can also use the light olive oil, the light coconut oil. Just choose those oil has a little flavor. You don't want to use the strong flavor like extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin is perfect, for just use as is, or infused oil for your salad, or just use on the dish, but not for the brownie, the cake cooking, because the strong olive oil will bring it will cover the herb smell. And then just need a 8-ounce mason jar. So I gotta use ADI for the infusion today, so I gotta show you how to do that. So the first step, just add the dry basil leaf in the cup. You can add 1/3 of the cup to half cup, because using the dry leaf, we don't really use a lot because the volume is so big and it's light. And then just add the oil. Add in. An 8-ounce mason jar is perfect, just for like a small batch, the home use. You can use them quicker, and then just make another new batch or different flavor infused oil. And that's it. And let's close it. So you can either just stir it with a spoon or just shake it. Either way works fine. Just the goal is just make oil mix well with the basil. So I'm gonna do the water infusion method with ADI. Just put the cup in the pot and add water in it. So for this one, because we just want the light flavor in the oil, we don't want it too strong. 2.5 hours is pretty good. If we make like a infused oil for the skincare, hair care, 5 hours for the leaves, and then longer, 8 hours for the condensed, like a root or the bark material. So I'm gonna show you the oil after the 2.5 hours. Okay, it's finished. Just show you the oil. Just wipe the water. I'm gonna separate it with a press. Later on, I will show you the brownie made with this basil infused oil.